First response from the Aam Aadmi Party and a confirmation that Swati Maliwal did face a physical assault at Delhi Chief Minister's residence. Remember, while there's a lot of silence, Swati Maliwal hasn't spoken in public and nor has Arvind Kejriwal or the assistant of the Delhi Chief Minister. But right now, I can tell you that Sanjay Singh of the Aam Aadmi Party did confirm that the Rajya Sabha MP incumbent and former Delhi Women's Panel Chief Swati Maliwal was assaulted, and as was claims that it was Arvind Kejriwal's personal assistant Bibhav doing it. Now, he's added that Delhi CM has taken cognizance of this case and will take strict action in this matter. Swati Maliwal's ex-husband, meanwhile, Naveen Jaihind, has jumped on this. He has been quick to respond after Sanjay Singh's press conference. He's alleging that the assault was premeditated. Her life could be in danger now because she is being scared into silence. Just to give you a background, on Monday morning, there was a call that was allegedly made, as the caller said that it was Swati Maliwal calling from Delhi CM residence and claimed an assault. Later, while there's complete silence, Swati Maliwal hasn't reacted in public, Arvind Kejriwal hasn't spoken, but while Delhi cops did say the identity is confirmed, now Sanjay Singh has also confirmed it, saying action will be taken. Let's listen in to Aam Aadmi Party reaction and how the BJP has jumped on this.
एक बहुत ही निंदनीय घटना घटित हुई, जिसके बारे में आप सबको बताना चाहता हूं। कल सुबह अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के आवास पर स्वाति मालीवाल जी मिलने के लिए पहुंची थी। ड्राइंग रूम में इंतजार कर रही थी। इस बीच विभव कुमार जी वहां पे आते हैं और उन्होंने स्वाति मालीवाल जी के साथ बहुत बदतमीजी की, अभद्रता की। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने पूरी घटना को संज्ञान में लिया है और इस पूरे मामले में सख्त कार्रवाई करने को कहा है।
केजरीवाल ने पहले चीफ सेक्रेटरी का पिटाई किया, वो भी एलिगेशन है। कल सुबह वो राज्यसभा सांसद को भी पिटाई किया। मेरा लगता है कि राज्यसभा का हमारे जो भारत का वाइस प्रेसिडेंट है, जो राज्यसभा का चेयरमैन है, उनको 100% कॉग्नाइजेंस लेना चाहिए कि राज्यसभा का सांसद को एक चीफ मिनिस्टर कैसे पीट सकता है। और मेरा अपना निवेदन होगा उपराष्ट्रपति जी को कि आप इसका संज्ञान लीजिए और केजरीवाल का खिलाफ आप अपना प्रोसेस शुरू कीजिए।
विभव कुमार ऐसे नहीं करेंगे कि खुद उठ के कर देंगे। उनको उकसाया किसने, उनको डायरेक्शन किसने दी, इन तथ्यों की जांच होनी चाहिए। और स्वाति मालीवाल चुप हैं, महिला हैं। जहाँ तक उनके स्वभाव के बारे में सबको पता है कि वो प्रखर हैं, बोलती हैं, उसके बावजूद अगर वो चुप हैं तो आप समझ लीजिए कि उस महिला पर कितना राजनीतिक दबाव होगा। इसलिए हम कह रहे हैं कि 36 घंटे के बाद जो संजय सिंह इस बात को स्वीकार कर रहे हैं, बेहतर होता वो खुद पुलिस में जाते, शिकायत करते, पूरे मामले की जाँच करते।
इतने गंभीर मुद्दे पर आम आदमी पार्टी चुप क्यों है? स्वाति मालीवाल जी ने क्यों इस तरह के इल्ज़ाम लगाए? उन्होंने सिर्फ फ़ोन कॉल नहीं किया, बल्कि वो बाकायदा पुलिस स्टेशन भी गईं। तो क्या वो किसी तरह से कुछ कहना चाह रही थी और ऐसे ही डराने धमकाने के लिए इस तरह के इल्ज़ाम लगा रही थी, या वाकई में इनमें कुछ सच्चाई है? देश की जनता को ये जानना चाहिए, क्या है असलियत केजरीवाल जी की, क्या है असलियत उनके आसपास जो लोग हैं उनकी, और इसके पीछे क्या असलियत है।
So here's to just tell you about the background of what unfolded on Monday morning and then became a huge full-on political showdown. It was on Monday morning when the Delhi cops confirmed that at about 9:34 a.m. PCR calls are received. This is the police control room, which means emergency calls, and not once but twice. The caller, a female voice, said, "I'm Swati Maliwal." And therefore, remember, it immediately rings a bell. Rajya Sabha MP, former DCW chief. The complainant claiming that she is Swati Maliwal, and then goes on to add that at the Delhi Chief Minister's residence, where she is allegedly at that point, there's been an assault taking place. The complainant alleges the assault as by Kejriwal's personal assistant, who is Bibhav, who is in the closed group, who basically approves the entries and who gets to meet Arvind Kejriwal. And this is happening right at Chief Minister's house. A lot of big names, a sensitive and a serious issue here at hand for the Delhi police to take care of. Now, the police sources then say that the Aam Aadmi Party MP visited the civil line station herself as well. This is important because after a PCR call is made, a written complaint has to follow. She did go there, but a formal complaint was not filed. Police have added that Swati Maliwal said she'll file the complaint later. From what we are told, that formal complaint did not go, but at least the identity was confirmed, that it was not a fake prank call or hoax call. It was Swati Maliwal herself making that call after she appeared in person at the police station. The next day, Aam Aadmi Party MP confirms, and finally, it took a while, but Aam Aadmi Party confirmed the incident had happened and said Chief Minister Kejriwal has taken note of this because this concern, and it's the election season, directly knocking at the Chief Minister of Delhi's door. So this has happened, that Arvind Kejriwal has taken note. He will ensure action is taken in this case. Aam Aadmi Party has promised that there will be cognizance of this matter. It will not be accepted because it's not just about any sort of infighting. It is a woman MP alleging that there has been a physical assault on her. But while the AAP has confirmed, there are a lot of unanswered questions, because what precisely happened? What led to a physical assault at a Rajya Sabha MP, Swati Maliwal, an MP nominated by Aam Aadmi Party? And I can tell you, Swati Maliwal goes way back with Arvind Kejriwal. She's been a fellow activist when Arvind Kejriwal was, even before India Against Corruption. So they've known each other for a very long time. Is Aam Aadmi Party shielding Arvind Kejriwal's close aide Bibha, who's also known Arvind Kejriwal and Swati Maliwal for years now, for decades, and is definitely one of the strongest person to be around Arvind Kejriwal, who takes a lot of decisions specifically about meeting the CM? Why no police complaint lodged yet? She is, remember, not a vulnerable woman. She's led the Delhi Commission for Women. She knows the protocol. Why has she not filed a formal complaint? And importantly, has someone persuaded her, convinced her, asked her to keep quiet? Because it's not just about formal complaint. For some reason, she may have decided not to file it. But she hasn't spoken at all in public, hasn't given any statement about what unfolded. Now, no safety even for the women, former women panel chief, who's a Rajya Sabha MP. Now, whether this was infighting, whether this was some sort of a rivalry, whether this was just an argument that led to a scuffle, but with the claim of assault, that has become perhaps an issue. Big names, significant location when it comes to national capital Delhi. While Swati Maliwal has remained silent, absolutely nothing to say, even though she's vocal on a lot of issues, her ex-husband, a fellow activist with her during India Against Corruption days as well, Naveen Jaihind, has jumped on this. He's now remarked and he has said that she's deliberately being silenced in this case, and he's claiming that there could be a threat on her life now. Listen in.
जो स्वाति के साथ ये घटना हुई है, ये पूरी साजिशन घटना हुई है, पूरी साजिश के तहत घटना हुई है और उसको अब डराया धमकाया जा रहा है और उसके साथ कुछ भी हो सकता है, ये भी मैं जानकारी के लिए आपको बता देता हूं। जिस वे बहू का नाम आ रहा है कि उसने मारपीट की है, उस कूतरू की तो औकात ही नहीं है, को तेज आवाज में भी बोल जाए। वो किसके सारे पर के करा है वो तो वही बताओगी, सारी चीज तो मैं नहीं बता सकता इब्बे, जब तक वो खुद नहीं बताओगी।
So let's bring in and try and get some perspective on this. Joining me this morning in the telecast is India Today's Ashutosh Mishra, who closely tracks the party and has known Swati Maliwal, Bibha and Arvind Kejriwal for years now. Now, it's good to have an acknowledgement and a confirmation come in from Sanjay Singh, who perhaps best articulated it. But a lot of questions are still unanswered, Ashutosh, isn't it? What happened and what happens here on when a Rajya Sabha MP nominated by Aam Aadmi Party is claiming a physical assault on her? That cannot be ignored.
Whether it was a physical assault, because he said clearly bura bartav kiya, misbehaved. Was that a physical assault? So that need to be confirmation only by Swati Maliwal, who has gone literally on a silent mode ever since, the story broke out. The Swati Maliwal dialed the police from CM House, accusing that she is being assaulted. So, clearly the Aam Aadmi Party has tried to settle the dust by official statement from the Rajya Sabha. And that was the official announcement when she said that there will be strict action against Bibha Kumar, the private secretary to CM Arvind Kejriwal. But since then, what has happened? We do not have any official word from the CM House whether any action has been taken so far or the action has been initiated. But clearly, first, prima facie, it looks like the party has tried to settle the dust. Officially taking stand with Swati Maliwal that indeed there was bad behavior by Bibha Kumar against Swati Maliwal. But until unless Swati Maliwal herself comes out, makes a statement, files a written police complaint on the issue, till then it's speculation, what happened and who did it, how it happened, or there is some other story behind the curtain which is trying to be covered by the Aam Aadmi Party at the moment.